Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, TATE MCRAE, Run for the Hills. Yes, she's running and we are playing here. This is not your typical guitar song, but why not play on guitar anyway, because we love that. So let's take a look at this song here with the capo set on the first fret. We have 4 chords that goes in the same way, same order, same kind of strumming from beginning to the very end. All right, let's do this. First, the E minor, that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. The D chord next, open D, second G, third B, and second E. And then we have the A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Alright, so E minor, G, D, and A, that is the order of the chords here in the song. So we have this strumming pattern here. We'll do that for 2 parts. So one full round will be 2 parts. So we're going to look at the first transition here from E minor to G. So E minor part 1 and G part 2. Let's take a look at the E minor first. So we have the E minor here with the strumming parts down, down, clap, down, up. So down, down, clap, down, up. And then you switch to the next part and the next chord, the G, and play up, down, clap, down, up. So up, down, clap, down, up. And then you apply the same for the next 2 chords, the D to A. So D is played in the same way as E minor with the part 1, down, down, clap, down, up. And then A in the same way as G, part 2, up, down, clap, down, up. And that's the full song there. So E minor, G, D, and A, like this. So on. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers TATE MCRAE's Run for the Hills. Play tuned.